Assalamu alaikum students. Today our lecture will be on writing a ratio in the form of 1:n. So what I'm saying is to write the ratio in a writing a ratio in the form 1:n. So now this is useful idea, na? So why we use this now? So because the scale of a MAP or enlargement is often as a 1:n. In a map, there we use the 1:n. So some kind of if 1 kilometer, uh, if there is a one inch in a map, there is some n in a real life. So that will be represented. No? So let's see what this is. No? So first the step is for the common scaling. No? A common scale for a scale model is 1:24. And the second is uh, the scale of a map or enlargement is often as 1:n. And third, to change a ratio to this form. So how we will change some ratio in this form? No? So to change a ratio to this form, 1:n is you have to first what you will do is divide both numbers by the number on the left. The number which appears on the left, you have to divide uh, the the whole numbers. No? So it's like a 2:3. So now you will divide with the number which appears on the 2 is 2. So you will divide with the 2 and you will get what? 1 ratio 1.5. So this is. But let's see from the examples we will get the clarity. No? So we have example. It's 11.2. Question it says write these ratio in the form 1:n. So part A is given like a part A is given 2:n. 5. So now you have to convert this 1:n type. No? So the number which appears on the left is 2, so you have to divide with the 2. So let's divide 2 divided by 2 and 5 divided by 2. So 2 divided by 2 you will get 1. 5 divided by 2 we will get 2.5. So let's see in a measurements how it looks like. No? So we have a part B here. So 8 millimeter ratio 3 centimeter. So it's some 8 millimeter is on the map, and in a real life it is just an 3 centimeter. No? You can imagine it like this. So now you have remembered it. 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. No? So now what we will do is 3 multiplied with 10. You now we will convert this as in millimeters. No? So this becomes 30 millimeter. So in other 1 millimeter with the 10, if you multiply both sides with the 3, you will get a 3 centimeter is equals to 30 millimeter. So simple as that. So if you want to convert this, so now the units are same, so we will not write the units. So now divide with 8, both sides with 8. So what we will get is 8 divided by 8, you will get 1. 30 divided by 8, you will get 3.75 or 3.75. Or you may, maybe if you want to write like this, as this 1 ratio 24 divided by 8 plus 6 divided by 8. Now 3 whole, and if you multiply divide with 2, you will get 3. If you divide with 2, you will get 4. So this 3 whole, 3 by 4. It's understandable, no? It's not as difficult. So part C is, so we have a 25 millimeters, no? A ratio with 1.25 kilometer. This looks good for the mapping, no? In a mapping, in a map 25 millimeter, but in a real life it is 1.25 kilometer. Because the map represents there is some kind of a map, and there is some little measurement, no? Some kind. So 25 millimeter, or might it might be greater than this, but or less than this, I don't know. But on a map, you imagine this is the map, and this is the representation of 25 millimeter. No? So in a real life, this length represent 1.25 kilometer. So now let's convert this, no, into millimeters. No? So first 25 millimeter ratio 1.25 kilometer. So first you have to convert kilometer into meters. So this is meters. Now meters will be converted into centimeters. So then the centimeters will be converted into the centimeter will be converted into our millimeters. No? So 25 millimeter ratio. So when you multiply this, so you will get how much? 1, 2, 5, 0, 0, and 0. So now divide with 5. You can divide with directly with 25, but if I want to divide with 25, but it will become difficult to handle. That's why this part will become a 1 millimeter, but on that other side, let's see, 125. So 5 into 5. So first divide with the 5 now. So 12 divided by 5, you will get how much? 2. So 12 is not divided by 5, but 10 will become divided by 5, and you will give the you will get the 2. But then 2 will go to the 5, and it's a 25 it will become a 35. So 5 divided by 25 will get 5. Yeah. So now all these 0 will come. Simple. Now this is the 1,000, 10,000 lakh. It's 2,50,000. So let's divide this now with 5. So now 25 divided by 5, you will get 5. Now other are just zeros. So now what will it will become? It become 1 millimeter into 50,000 millimeters. So I think this is simple, but you have to do some practice and then you get. So you can imagine it like as a one. So this is the 1 millimeter is on it's on a map, but in a real life this is 50,000 millimeters. No? So on a ground level. No? So this is it. So if you have some question, you can ask me. Allah Hafiz. Like, subscribe, comment.